trying to get things done, but they can't get done. But it's better than having nothing to do. Welcome back to Cook and Fight, people. Hope you're alright. Yeah, man. Yo, listen. The sun shines out. May I tell you one thing, yeah? I don't want to talk too much. But one thing today is I do want to say, if anyone's seen the jerk chicken episode that I done before, now the only reason I ain't deleted that off the channel is because it's a vibes, and the man there on the beach and everything, and it was a vibes, you get me? But it was an embarrassment. That jerk chicken recipe was an embarrassment, so I'm here to make my wrongs right. I'm here to make up for it. Yeah, today we're doing jerk chicken properly. But today we're going to do a recipe, and where I stay in Jamaica, across the road, there's a little old lady, and she cooks for the school kids, and she cooks jerk chicken back and fritters, and she cooks the jerk chicken and then puts it in like a pan kind of thing, and then puts the fritters when they're ready, puts them in there so all the fritters get like marinated with the jerk chicken and everything. And it's just like a cheap thing for the kids, and honestly is one of the best things I ever had. You don't know, jerk chicken back is like a proper tasty part of the chicken, you see me? So today we're doing jerk chicken back and saltfish fritters. Yeah, man. What we're going to do today is we're going to use a full chicken. So I used a full chicken, so we've got the back on it, so we ain't got loads of chicken back, but we have got part of it. We're just going to use a whole chicken, which would be probably easier for people to do in England and places like that, isn't it? So without further ado, let's get into the ingredients today for the jerk chicken. Alright, so here's the ingredients for today, people. So allspice berries, yeah, pimento berry, pimento seed, allspice, same thing, yeah. We want a good piece of that. Now what I've done is I've blended up some in here already. You see it in there, blended up some already. We want a good piece, so even looking at that, because this is one of the main ingredients to jerk chicken, the pimento, you know. So we're probably gonna actually just dash a couple more whole ones in there and blend them up with the rest of the stuff, yeah. All right, now second of all, garlic. I haven't got that much chicken, obviously accommodate the amount of chicken that you are cooking, you see me? Garlic, bit of thyme. We are going to roughly chop that up, but I kind of ain't got a lot of space on it, so let me get this out of the way. So let me go for the ginger next. Okay, so we got the pimento and we got garlic. Now we're going to put fresh ginger in. Nice piece of ginger, you know what I'm saying? We're not even going to be shy with that ginger there, you see me? Yeah, man. Take that piece out there. Next, we're going to put Scotch bonnet in. 2 Scotch bonnet. You can put as many Scotch bonnets as you want. I am going to take out the seed, and I am going to take that out because I don't want it too hot. Oh, you smell that fruitiness. That's one thing about Scotch bonnets, you know, people. You see the fruitiness from the oh my days, man. The fruitiness is amazing. I love Scotch bonnets. So right, the Scotch bonnet in, piece there. Right, onion. Yo, me I tell you one thing, you know, people. Today has been a madness trying to film this episode, you know, but we will get there, man. You know what? Nothing can stop, man. Isn't me? So yeah, the thyme, good piece of thyme, yeah. Dash that in. And some scallion. Scallion goes in. What we're going to add to this, some vinegar. Good piece of vinegar. Yeah. Now what I do is a little thing that I do is I put a little bit of lemon juice. I forgot to bring the lemon out here, and I just can't be doing it all right now. You see me? So I'm going to add a little bit of lemon, and then we are going to blend this up, and we soon forward. People, a wet jerk chicken seasoning, fresh. My God. Oh my God. That one that smell wicked. Them Scotch bonnets are good ones, you know. You can smell them really nice and fragrant in there. With the Scotch bonnet, the pimento, thyme, everything is nice in this. All right, next stage, people. Here we are. Chicken, yeah? Now I told you, it's a chicken back thing today. So what I've done is I've chopped up the whole chicken. You don't know the thighs and the leg, breast them there, and then we got some chicken back here, and then this piece here. Okay, so now the authentic way, these pieces here, these are the pieces that you get with the fritters in Jamaica, you know. But you don't know we're gonna jerk the whole thing. So there's the chicken back there, and wings and everything. So you don't know. We have some dry rub on here already. I'll just use a Jamaican all-purpose seasoning, an easy spice one. It's really good because it's got loads of different things, everything on it already. So you just have to dry rub that in your chicken, yeah. And then we're just gonna get that right in to everything. Zimmy. Yeah, we're doing it properly today, trust me, people. Yeah, I was embarrassed for the last one. This one, do this one properly. See it there, people. Jerk chicken seasoned up and ready to go. Yeah, proper thing today. We're not going to burn the chicken today. Yeah. No, I told you I was doing it right. I told you I was doing it properly today, people. You see me? So this is a very key part of it, the wood. Now I've got some cherry wood here, yeah, which I've been using before, and you see this, the small ones. I've got some fresh one for you. This is pimento wood. Yeah, this is the tree that the pimento berry comes off. Now what you do is we lay this down on the grill, and then we put the chicken on top of it. Yeah, that's how you cook jerk chicken properly. So the coals are underneath, and then we put the wood and then the chicken on top of the wood. So you don't know, we're just gonna soak up the sticks them in some water. We're gonna leave the jerk chicken to marinate for a little while, and do the next steps. As I say, get on here for the saltfish fritters, people. Here we are, guan, yeah? Saltfish. You're gonna need saltfish. Boil it. I usually boil mine for like 20 minutes. Drain it. Put it on for another 10 minutes, just to make sure. You get me? So saltfish, yeah, 1.5 cups of flour, 1.5 cups of flour, yeah, 1 cup of water. There's no water in there yet, just flour, but yeah, 1 cup of water. Pepper, red one, green one, a tomato, Scotch bonnet, and a scallion. What we're gonna do is, obviously, apart from boiling the saltfish, we're just gonna chop up everything and just put it all into the mix and just and blend. This is what I say. Mix and blend, roll them into patties. By the time we get to that stage, we can tell you what I want and show you what I want. Wooooi. Yes, people. So like I said, the pimento wood and the cherry wood, we're gonna put the chicken on top of that, yeah? So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna put the breast them. You don't know the breast them. It's not gonna take too long to cook, so we're gonna put them on the side there. Some more wet rub on that side there. Remember, it's best to marinate your meat overnight, you know. Just lie down on top of there. Now remember, what we're focusing in today is the jerk chicken back. You know what I'm saying? So we'll make sure we get the chicken back right on that piece there. Another piece of the back. People, I still ain't got right to do my hair, but you know what? What's important is the food. You get me? So while the jerk chicken is being cooked, you get me, oiii, bare oiii-ness in the air. You get me? Our saltfish has now been cooled down, broken up. We've got all the vegetables and the Scotch bonnet, everything in there. We're just gonna add that to the flour as well. I'm just gonna mix this all up together. Now, a lot of people chop up their peppers and stuff quite small. I like big chunks of vegetables, you know. I like to taste, I like to bite into the pepper, you know what I'm saying? I like to bite into the Scotch bonnet. So that's how I do my thing. So now we're gonna add the 1 cup of water, yeah? For the fritters. So you don't know, if you mix it all together, just put it in a bowl, you get me, and rest that for probably like half an hour or something, you get me, and then just make them into the little patty balls, yeah? Yeah. Getting there, people, it's getting there. The pimento wood, honestly, and the cherry wood give it such a flavour, like a smoky wood flavour as well. And that's how jerk chicken is meant to taste. It's all about the pimento berries and wood, you know? Yeah, man. So what you want to do, you're going to get your little ball like that. Got a little helper, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, you just put it in a ball and then flatten it out in your hand. And then you're just going to end up, you want them real thin, you know? Nice and thin. I done these the other day and done them way too thick, so you want them nice and thin, yeah? Alright. Add the fritters them in the oil. Oiii. Zimaze. Just put a couple at a time so you don't want to put too much in there, you know? And just fry them till they're golden brown on each side, you know? Simple thing. See right now, people, I was cooking for a little while. I've kind of took like there's not that many coal on this side underneath the chicken. You see me? Cause we just wanted to just nicely cook. We don't want to burn up the chicken, you know. But yeah, it's nearly there. It's nearly there. This is looking nice. Yeah, you got cosmerated chicken this time. Fritters them looking nice. You get me? Do you know what the best thing about positive energy? This episode, when I started filming it, was just a mad thing, but it's turned out really well. Now here is the style that I got from the lady who cooked the chicken back. So basically, what she does is she'll put the jerk chicken right in with the fritters, yeah, like that. So we're gonna put some, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna put some more fritters on the top there, yeah, and we're gonna put a bit more chicken back, little breast there and thing, more back, more breast, a little wing, put some on top, and there we have it, people. Jerk chicken and saltfish fritters. We can say jerk chicken back, but a full jerk chicken and the fritters. Now she just has them inside, like when she's done it now, right? Here her setup, people. Right, stand back. Let me show you her setup. So she's got her setup here, right? And down here, she's outside, you know. She's got a little thing here which she fries the fritters on, right? And then inside she fries the chicken back. And what she does is she's got like a tin in here, yeah? And she like, as soon as the fritters and stuff are done, the chicken, she just chucks it all in the same thing. Do you know what I'm saying? Like this. So when you get the fritter tastes like jerk chicken. It's like I feel like I just want to press down on the whole thing. You get me? But yeah, man. There we go, people. Yeah, man. Ready, man. Yeah. Real jerk chicken this time, people. Yeah? And saltfish fritters. So you don't know it's all about the chicken back. Yeah? So what I want to do is I want to just press down. I just want to get one of these fritters here that are right underneath here. That one right there. That's what I'm going for. One that's been soaked in. Ah, you see it? Yeah. So here we go, people. I'm gonna take a piece of the back. Do you know what? It's got so much flavour. The back here, you know, people. And let's taste the fritter. Oh, it's taking me back. It's taking me back. Big up my woman. She actually fried the fritters. So, big her up for that. Oh, honestly, people, man. So good. I'm gonna go into that look. Nice, juicy. I'm there. I'm there. Oh, I'm there, man. I'm there. Oh, I'm there. I'm there. I've gone back in time. This has got to be one of my favourite. It's got to be one of my favourite. Now you don't know, with the big pizza, we are gonna chop up that. See what I say? We are gonna chop up that, and just blend everything and just let it settle and just enjoy. You get me? So yeah, man. I hope you enjoyed today's episode, people. Full jerk chicken / chicken back and saltfish fritters. I am just gonna be in just some big ball of heaven and jerk chicken and saltfish fritters right now, people. So oiii.